It's 9 in the morning. I came to this tank to feed my fish for the first time during the day. Perfect timing to monitor if my fish doing fine. Usually when I go closer to the tank, they used to come to the surface, but not today. I see them sitting in the bottom. Still I thought of feeding them, thinking they would come up seeing the food, but I was wrong. All the food was floating in the water. Clear sign that the tank is not doing good and it needs attention. Yesterday, there was a fish not doing very well. I kept him in a bucket separating from the rest with good aeration. But unfortunately, he died today. This is the first symptom to say that my tank is not doing good. When we had a closer look at the dead fish, could see that its gills are swollen and its mouth was open. Clear sign of having breathing difficulties. My conclusion is that fish died due to parasite attack on its gills. There are no external injuries to say it was bitten by any other tank mates. So I decided to give an anti-parasite treatment to the whole tank. Make sure to treat all equipments in a tank as they may also have got contaminated. First of all, remove the filter. Give a good cleaning to the sponge as it is the main source of garbage collector. Wash the filter with the same aquarium water all the time. It is important to retain beneficial bacteria in the filter. I kept it submerged in the tank water all the time during this whole process. Siphon the water from the bottom of the tank, making sure to remove all the dirts in the tank. Take out all the floating food in the tank if any. Do not keep any remaining food as it will increase the ammonia level. I used a net to remove the excess food. I siphon about 80% of the tank water. Do not change more than 50% of the water during normal water change. Fill the tank with conditioned water. Do not forget to add anti-chlorine if needed. As a treatment, add salt 2.5 ppt. That is, add 2.5 grams of salt to every liter of water. Use a jar to dilute the salt before it is added to the aquarium. Use aquarium salt. Now it is time to add the filter. Do not install the sponge in the motor as it will get stuck in all the medicines in the tank. Instead, lay the filter sponge in the bottom of the tank. Put only the filter cup so that fish will not get stuck by the motor when it is started. Once the water is filled, do not forget to siphon the remaining dirts in the tank if there is any. Now it is time to add the anti-parasite medicine to the tank. Follow the instructions of your brand. I added 10 ml of anti-parasite to my 100-liter aquarium. That's it. Do not feed your fish first day of the treatment. You may start feeding them slowly from the next day. This is how they reacted when I fed them next day morning. They were actively looking for their food. Good sign to say that they are recovering. Do not forget to siphon the dirt from the tank as there is no filtration. Add the siphoned water to the tank. Leave this for 3 days and your fish should be able to recover at the end of the third day. If not, you may continue the treatment for 3 cycles. After the fish is recovered, do not forget to give 50% water change and put back the sponge filter.